These two diseases are clinically indistinguishable, meaning they cannot be distinguished by clinical symptoms, because their symptoms are exactly the same. And this begs the question, if two different diseases have the same exact symptoms, are they really two different diseases? Or are they the same disease with a new label? Like Aunt Jemima switching to the Pearl Milling Company. Sure, it may be a new name, but it's the same shitty syrup. And these are the same shitty symptoms that have been repackaged like pancake mix.